Hey guys, if you trouble calculating percentage in Google Sheet, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to explain this with very simple example. Let's dive in. In this simple example, I have few columns, ID, name, attendance in days, total working days, and last column is percentage. If I want to calculate the attendance percentage for employees, I will use percentage function. How can I use this? It will start with is equal to. First, I click on this cell to pick its reference number, then slash total working days cell, this one. So it will divide the attendance days with the total working days. And if I press enter, it will give me the result in decimal. The good thing is it's showing the autofill function on the side. If I just press OK, so it will perform the same function for rest of the rows. I don't have to copy the formula. If I press OK, now you can see it has divided the attendance days with the total working days and gave me the result. So this is the result in this is the result in decimals. So if you want to convert this in percentage, I will select all those cells and go to format. And from the number section, further drill down, you can see percent function here. Click this one. It will convert all those decimals into percentage. So if I want to reduce the number of zeros, I can do that by clicking this one that decrease decimal places. Click once, twice, and it will give me the definite percentage. So this is how you can use the percentage function in Google Sheet. Let me know guys if this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in next video.